Anaconda is a free and open-source distribution of the Python and R programming languages for scientific computing that aims to simplify package management and deployment. To install Anaconda, go to anaconda.com website, select suitable Anaconda version and download. Change the permissions of downloaded file. Run the file. Initialize Anaconda. Disable activating base environment automatically. If conda command is not found, run following command. Deactivate base environment. And try again.